Vechain at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a breakdown move after an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the $0.08. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold within our key area of support between the 0.05688 and the 0.04233. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to pay attention to, give you a possible breakout scenario that can play out in the next coming hours, and above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up you can now grab up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box that you can use for registration. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first discussing this blue additive structure that I have on the chart, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. You can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this additive count 1. We saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, a wave 4, and finally peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.08. And having seen a 5-wave structure to the upside, I now believe that we have now completed an even larger additive count 1. And having seen the formation of that larger additive count 1, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And that is between the 0.04248 and the 0.05685, the area that I have marked here on the chart using this retarget area. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we have seen a pullback into the target area, though at the moment we can't confirm that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2. So we still have a chance that we can get one more new low within this retarget area in the formation of that wave 2 before we can finally see a reversal to the upside, starting the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of a larger additive count 3. And the minimum target areas for this wave 3 can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, assuming that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2. And we can do so by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.1498, a target area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days or maybe hours, as long as we manage to break above significant key areas of resistances and significant highs. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Vechain to follow on the short term. On the long term, I still maintain that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulse to the upside that peaked above the $0.055 in the formation of this additive count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we fully maximized and also gave us a reaction to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas I had been giving you using the trend-based Fibonacci by connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, where I got my minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.087, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though we were so close to fully maximizing that target area. And after we got that high in this wave 3 above the $0.08, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 4, whose minimum pullback target areas I have marked here on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there are very high chances that in the next coming hours or maybe days we are going to see a reversal within this target area, starting an impulse to the upside in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Vechain to follow on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.